A tree provides a shady and cool place. It restores, refreshes, and relaxes. In the same way, for more than 100 years, Chiang Mai bamboo umbrellas have been sheltering and refreshing and preserving a unique tradition. Chiang Mai's legendary umbrellas are from the village of Borsang, located in Nkampeng district, Chiang Mai province, Thailand. The art of umbrella making was said to have been introduced by Prakru Inta, a Thai Buddhist monk who went on a pilgrimage to a village on the Burmese border. There he observed the umbrella-making techniques of the villagers who were Tai Lu descendants from China. Prakru Inta took a personal interest in the umbrella-making process and studied it thoroughly. When he returned, he taught the entire process to the villagers of Borsang. Subsequently, he assigned the making of certain parts of the umbrellas to the nearby villagers. These parts were then brought to Borsang to be assembled into umbrellas. Initially, Borsang umbrellas were plain and used only by the local monks and the local people. In time, they became well known, and the villagers began to improve their quality and their uniqueness. As more and more umbrellas were sold, umbrella making became an attractive source of supplementary income for villagers during the period after the rice harvest. Presently, Borsang's umbrellas are not only used for protection from the elements, but also for home decoration and religious ceremonies. Umbrella making requires a high degree of skill and dedication. The process starts with the making of sar paper. Sar paper is made from the bark of Brucinitea papyrifera or the paper mulberry tree. The bark is soaked in clean water for about 24 hours. Then it is boiled with several kinds of ashes for about 3 to 4 hours and rinsed clean with water. Next, the material is beaten with mallets until it is soft, and then it's transferred to a water-filled tank and stirred with a paddle until the fibres are suspended in the water. The fibres are then scooped up with a screen and dried in the sun for about 20 minutes. Once they are dry, the sheets of paper are easily peeled from the frames. The head and knob of the umbrellas are made from soft wood, which is cut into blocks. A hole is bored into the middle, and then the blocks are turned on a lathe. Bamboo is then used to make the ribs of the umbrella. Each piece must have the skin scraped off and have holes drilled in it. These parts are then assembled together to make a framework for the umbrellas. This process must be done with great care and skill to ensure the umbrellas can be opened and closed properly. Once the umbrella frame is made, the next step is to mount the sar paper. The backs of the ribs are thoroughly covered with a resin of ebony and leguminosa before mounting the sar paper. Leguminosa resin is reapplied for waterproofing. Fancy colours and beautiful designs can be applied to the umbrella roof as desired. The final step is to stick the handle on the umbrella. The unique beauty of a handmade umbrella takes time and patience. Because of the rich heritage in the making of sar paper and bamboo umbrellas, the Umbrella Making Centre was established at Borsang, Nkampeng in Chiang Mai province, Thailand. It aims to demonstrate and preserve the art of traditional umbrella making. The centre also has developed domestic umbrella making into an industry. As a result, the standard of living in the villages has improved and the export of the umbrellas has begun. The Umbrella Making Centre strictly conserves the inherited traditions of umbrella making and functions as a centre for cultural preservation and dissemination. Therefore, it is a live museum where people can study the entire tradition of umbrella making in one place. The centre is synonymous with Chiang Mai and has had the honour of welcoming many foreign VIPs, such as Lady Diana, the Prince of Wales. For her visit, the centre made the biggest umbrella in the world to express its deepest appreciation for her visit. The diameter of the umbrella was 300 inches, or 8 metres, big enough for 250 people to shelter under. This creation was recorded in the Guinness Book of Records in 1988. The Royal Prince of Japan has also been warmly welcomed at the centre, as well as many other foreign dignitaries. From antiquity to the present, Borsang's umbrellas have come to symbolise the lifestyle of the local people and their birthplace, Chiang Mai. Borsang umbrellas make very attractive souvenirs, which satisfy both the giver and the receiver. At present, most people use mass-produced metal umbrellas because they are light and convenient. But what makes Borsang's umbrellas unique and valuable is that they not only protect from the sunshine and the rain, but they are also preserving the cultural heritage of an ancient tradition. Borsang villagers put their heart and soul into making their bamboo umbrellas. This is what makes a Borsang umbrella a living reminder of Chiang Mai.